If you want to make your mama proud, if you want to make your daddy proud, if you want to make your family proud, if you want to make yourself proud, you must live by the creed. You must live by the motto of no quit allowed. You're allowed to scream. You're allowed to shout. You're allowed to get angry. But you're never allowed to quit. Quitting is not an option. I need you to embrace the success of failure. Just like anyone that achieves at a high level does. You're not the first person that wants to give up. You're not the first person that wants to throw in the towel. You're not the first person that wants to quit. But those that follow your lead and actually commit to giving up and actually commit to quitting are robbing themselves of their future successes. They're robbing themselves of the greatness that they have inside. No quit allowed. You may see me struggle. No quit allowed. But you will never see me quit. No quit allowed. See, winners are not people that never fail. No quit allowed. But people who never quit. This is your life. This is your moment. I know it's hard. Success is hard. But you were born to eat hard for breakfast and difficult for dinner. Success in life comes when you simply refuse to give up. With goals so strong that obstacles, failures, setbacks, bad days, rough patches only act as your motivation. I need you to understand this. The moment that you're ready to quit, the moment that you're ready to give up, is usually the moment right before the magic happens, right before that miracle happens. No quit allowed. If you fall behind, run faster. No quit allowed. Never give up, never surrender. No quit allowed. I need you to rise up against the odds. No quit allowed. There is no failure. No quit allowed. Except in no longer trying. No quit allowed. This is your time to grow. No quit allowed. It's your time to show. No quit allowed. The world that you are destined for greatness. And you have the will. And you have the internal strength to power through, to persevere, to overcome, to climb the hump, to never throw in the towel, never quit, period. This is a great day to win.